Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today. I'm playing with some beads and some of the eraser charms. If you remember, I'll link the video here where I made these eraser charms. And now I'm just adding some dangles to them so I could use them for either packaging or as an embellishment, hang it off a pocket letter. So yeah, so I have that bunny guy I'm gonna use, and I have this from my stash. It's just a thread tassel, so I'm gonna add a jump ring to it, to the tassel. And I can't see very well. My eyes are going bad on me. Even with my glasses, it's hard for me to bead. So I don't bead very often because of that. See? So I don't bead very often because I cannot see. I bought me a magnifying glass as well to try to use. It's just, whoa, it's just frustrating that my eyes cannot see as good as they used to. I blame it on college. Then I will add a stick pin as well, or stick eye pin. Stick, what is it called? These things. With the eye. Can you see it? Those things. So I'm gonna add one of those, and then I will close the loop back up, I hope. Yep, just like that. Sorry, if you're zoomed in, it gets blurry. Sorry. Okay, so my battery died. I'm back. So this is what I did. I don't know. I attached the jump ring to the tassel and attached the jump ring to the eye needle. I don't know what it's called. Something. Eye needle. That's what I did. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some beads, and I chose them while my battery was charging. And I'm just gonna thread them. Oh, good one. If I lost it, I'm screwed. Holy crap. That's because I can't see. Okay, and then this is the last bead. Then I need to add the eye screw. Is that what it's called? Eye screw? This thing. I add that because I need to still make the loopy thing that I'm not good at making right here. You would think I'd be able to see what I'm doing because I'm wearing readers, but they still don't help. Okay, perfect. Then we just cut this off. Yep. And we are gonna take our eraser, and we are going to poke the screw in a little and then start screwing. And there you have it. So there's the tassel. So I made a few more. Here's another one. Here's another. And this bunny is the erasers from the Dollar Tree. I think you get like 6 or 8 of them in a pack. And then these erasers I think I got from Target, as well as that bunny one and this bunny one. So that is my little share. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, please like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas!